With the increasing adoption of digital channels in daily activities and the potential effects of cybersecurity, the need for better approach to mitigate challenges posed by digitization has become more crucial in today's world. This was the fulcrum of conversation by the Nigerian Computer Society at the 4th edition of its flagship event, Cybersecurity Forum and Workshop 2024, with the theme The Intelligence Initiatives and Strategies for National Cybersecurity Management, held at the National Open University, Abuja. Dr. Muhammad Sirajo Aliyu, President of the NCS, the foremost information technology professional association in Nigeria and Africa's largest IT society, in his remarks expressed his excitement at the forum, noting that the event has come at such an important time when Nigeria was in need of best global practices in the aspect of tackling the numerous challenges of cybersecurity. While welcoming participants, it gives insight on some of the key efforts of the NCS through some of its flagship programs and results of some initiatives.
This Cybersecurity Forum is one of the key flagship programs of the Nigerian Computer Society. The society have other flagship programs such as our international conference, which will be coming up in August in Rivers State, in which I would like to use this opportunity to invite each and every one of us that is here to attend that gathering. It's a gathering too whereby all IT professionals in the country gather together, discuss issues related to IT, all national issues related to IT. The gathering is a gathering whereby we have, for the past 4 or 5 years, we have been getting a ton of, I think the ton out of nothing less than 1,000 members or 1,000 participants that have been attending that program. So I would like to use this opportunity to invite each and every one of us to that program. And at the same time, we have other flagship programs such as our NITMA program, whereby it's a merit award program. It's a program whereby excellence is being recognized and is being awarded. It's a program where fellowship is being conferred to each and every deserving member of the society. We have AI Summit and Robotics too, which is another flagship program of the society.
According to some of the speakers, with growing prospect of business automation and digitization of organizations, the imperatives of such forums and workshops could not be overemphasized. This is because current local and international reports indicate that cyber attacks in Nigeria is still on the increase despite the fact that many attack incidences in Nigeria are not reported. Therefore, the forum and workshop provides a platform for experts to share knowledge, discuss best practices, and develop strategies to enhance cybersecurity in an increasingly digital world.
With the continuous business process re-engineering and business process automation in various organizations, there's a great opportunity for process improvement as organizations move their processes online and also as they automate their processes. But at the same time, automation is a double-edged sword as it presents the opportunities for service excellence and process improvement. It also presents the other side, the opportunity for service disruption through the hackers, malwares, and other such challenges. So the only mitigation we have is continuous training, capacity building of our people, both the end users and also the professionals. The human resources are the most important resources of any organization. We may invest billions of naira on cybersecurity tools, but without building the capacity of the people, the investment will come to waste. So that is why this forum is of utmost importance.
Speaking on behalf of the Department of State Services, DSS, the Director General, Alhaji Yusuf Magaji Bichi, who was represented at the event, stressed the importance of the cyberspace for economic development and the urgent demands to fight the challenges that comes with it for national security and development.
for us in the DSS, the importance of cyber security cannot be overemphasized. The world has continued to evolve, and the evolution comes with different dimensions of threats. And the overriding threat of today is the one that has emanated from the cyberspace. The cyberspace, we believe, is usually meant for varied reasons, particularly positive reasons. But the other people on the other side, criminally minded people, will exploit the so-called good reasons for the worst side of the appliances or the accessories or whatever that the cyberspace uses. The moment is now. In order for us to be able to mitigate, like the last speaker has said, the challenges emanating from the cyberspace, particularly in the area of national security management, on issues of financial crimes, on the issues of fake news, deep fakes, and all other manipulations that come in the space. Our worry is that some of these things, as a matter of fact, create disorder and bring violence among communities. And for us, if NCS looks inwards and continue to do research in order to meet up with the pace in the cyberspace to bring up solutions to solve all the activities of criminalities and criminals, then our nation and our society will be a safe place.
Other speakers also shared their views on the importance of the workshop and the need for more cooperation among stakeholders.
Crime and criminality has been part of humanity and will continue to be part of humanity. What will differ is the trends. Technology, the internet revolution that has come along with the Internet of Things, rightly observed by my counterpart in the DSS, deepfake, breaches that moves billions of naira within a twinkle of an eye from one place to various destinations. It's a huge challenge around us, around our financial institutions, around our security, around everything. And then the necessity to come together to collaborate. 9/11 is a lesson for all of us in the history, in the global history, that led to the formation of the Homeland Security in the United States. We have no option than to collaborate, share information, and work together towards a safer Nigeria cyberspace and towards a safer global cyberspace. Thank you very much.
One of the key focus of the forum and workshop is the alarming rise in mobile channel fraud, which, according to the Nigerian Interbank Settlement Systems (NIBSS), Industry Fraud Report Q1 2024 has increased by 19% compared to the previous quarter. Many of the speakers agreed that the findings underscores the urgent need for advanced cybersecurity measures and the development of robust strategies to combat evolving threats.
Cybersecurity gaps jeopardize Nigeria's digital space by exposing it to cyber attacks, leading to data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage, among other things. Cyber attacks are not limited to public and private institutions. They extend to individuals as well. Unfortunately, many of these incidences go unreported, which inhibits the concerned institution's ability to assess the full scope of the problem. There is no doubt that poor cybersecurity posture exacerbate cybercrime activities in Nigeria.
The workshop also stressed the need for more collaborative efforts and the sharing of cutting-edge knowledge. As such, we foster a resilient cybersecurity environment capable of safeguarding Nigerians' digital future. Some of the strategic partners and participants from ministries, departments, and agencies, as well as key security bodies at the events are the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, Galaxy Backbone, the Department of State Services, DSS, the Independent and Corrupt Practices Commission, ICPC, the Nigerian Police Force, and the Office of the National Security Advisor, amongst others. Over the years, the NCS has been the voice of information technology professionals in the nation and a strategic advocacy body for related policy initiatives. The NCS continues to expand and grow in leaps and bounds as well as build wider relevance.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.